Taiwan textile is very famous in the global. People call it Taiwan Textile Silicon Valley. We provide 60% to 70% textile fabric and garment. Taiwan not only provide the smart textile and also innovation. Through 4.0, we can easy way through the big data, get every pattern immediately, and especially we have a lot of the automatic, make a beautiful pattern. Secondly, is one of the best provider from Taiwan.
Taiwan was founded in 1977, and after 42 years striving to serve for the knitting industry, we have reached top 3 as world ranking. The functional fabric, Taiwan as the single biggest supplier place. We claim that between 60 to 70% of the functional fabric supplied by Taiwan as textile machinery manufacturers. We do create the Open Innovation Lab, OIL department, to collaborate with the customer fabric development requirement. Well, the benefit of MES is they can reduce the adjustment time. Normally, that the fabric weight tolerance in the conventional way take plus minus 3%. But with MES, the fabric weight tolerance can be reduced as much as 0.5% minus plus.
Oscar was founded in 1993. Former with a clear objective for providing solution to textile dyeing industry in Industry 4.0 in textile industry. We provide a central control room to real-time monitoring and correcting in productive situation. Oscar Total Solution incorporating hardware that reduce human errors, increase accuracy, reliability, and reliability. With software that provide the necessary data to control the whole dyeing process. We believe not only high-value function fabric producers, but all quality-minded textile companies benefit from our total solutions. Cloud computing allows a large amount of data need to be more secure and less susceptible to data corruption. Major energy saving in water, steam, and electric are achieved by reduction of redyeing.
I think the Industrial 4.0, or the so-called smart machine, the core to this whole thing is digitalization. Our smart machine provides the data necessary for them to make adjustment, quick response to their production line. So if they can make production line changing fast, they can shorten the production cycle, make quick response, and they can meet the market demand quickly. I think everyone knows for the dye house, the biggest problem is the wastewater treatment. Our company has developed a new technology called Color Eye. So we have put in a sensor and to observe the wastewater being discharged and to see how clean it is. So the result, we have helped our customers to reduce their wastewater by 30 to 35% with treatment of this wastewater, as well as they can meet the local government regulation and then all the demands from the customer they're working with. And that will result in the sustainability of their company running.
Such kind of 4.0 and intelligent supply chain get like a game changer. We can time to money.
Taiwan textile manufacturer, they are the biggest manufacturer for functional fabric worldwide. I believe we are the hidden hero for them to support this industry.
That will help textile companies to transform into Industrial 4.0 manufacturing and become very competitive in the world.
Bring you tomorrow's textile technology today.